Close ka ba kay Lord? Baka akala mo lang. Close tayo. May closure dapat. Sabi ni Lord, closure. Close tayo. Are you sure? Yun po. And in humility, we do this in humility. Wala po tayong pwedeng ipagyabang sa Diyos. Yung sasabihin mo, Father, nagsisilbi naman ako sa simbahan, ganito ako, etc. Hello. God wants your heart. God wants my heart. So I look back at the mission in America. I look at it as a gem. God encounter moments. What mattered most for me is that people experience God kahit papano